friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to send email alert using workflow rule in Salesforce Lightning, where I write a condition if contact email field should not be blank, then we are sending an email alert to that particular email ID that is put the email on contact record. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to update record using Process Builder in Salesforce Lightning. So follow these steps to create new Process Builder in Salesforce. First, go to Setup page of Salesforce. Then search Process Builder into Quick Find search box. Then create new. Here we will be updating an account record through Process Builder in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of the Process Builder where we will be creating the Salesforce. Click on New button. Then you will be get two options here. First button is Continue in Process Builder and second button is Create in Flow Builder. Here I will be select Continue in Process Builder. So friends, let me jump to my Salesforce screen where we will be create live demo example how to create a process builder and how to update account record through process builder in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org where I will be create process builder in Salesforce Lightning. So before create a process builder, let me explain the scenario. Go to your account, open any of the account. If you edit the record, you will be get rating and active. So the scenario is by default rating is none and active is none. Whenever user select hot, then active field will be automatically changed as a yes. So if you rating select hot and save the record, the active will be automatically update as a yes. And if user create a new record and select a hot and save, then active field will be automatically update as a yes. So this process builder will be work whenever user create a new record of account and if user edit the existing record of the account. So if user selecting rating as a hot, then active field will be automatically update as yes. So now let me go to my setup of the Salesforce where I will be create new process builder. So first go to the setup, click here, search process builder, and here you will be select process builder here. Then you will be get new button, click here. Then you will be get two button here, continue in process builder and create a flow builder. So here I am selecting continue in process builder, new process, write the name of the process name. So I am writing the name of the process builder, update account record. Then API name will be automatically populated. Write the description, update active field as yes. If rating selected as hot. So here I am updating a active field whenever rating selected hot. And this is a process start when. So a record changes, a platform event message is received, it's invoked by another process. So I am selecting a record change because it is a execute whenever record is edited or created new record. Now save. Then there is an option add object. So first we will be select object, which object process builder will be execute. So click here. Then this is an object. Search your object name here. So my object name is account, selecting account. And there are two options. Only when a record is created or when a record is created or edited. So I am selecting second option because I will be update the active field whenever record is created or edited. Now leave as it is at advance and save. So first I select object name, then I take criteria. Click here. When you want to update the record, so write the name of the criteria here. Update active field of account. There are three options. Condition are made. Formula evaluate to true. No criteria, just execute the action. So I am selecting condition are made. So I writing condition. The condition is whenever rating is hot. Here I am selecting rating of account. This one account rating and choose. So account rating is equal to fixed list value and select fixed list value. So if fixed list value is hot, then this criteria will be fulfilled and after that we will be creating action. So there are three conditions. All of the conditions are made. Any of the conditions are made. Customize the logic. Here I am selecting first one. All of the conditions are made. Then save. So first I select account object. Then I create a criteria. Then I will be add a action where we will be update the record. So there is a add action button. Click here. Action type. Select here record is updated. So here update record because I am updating the record of account. Write the name of the action. Update active field. Update active field and record type. Record type. Select the account record and started your process. Select record related to account. So here I am selecting first one because I am not updating a related list of account. I am updating the same record. So here I am selecting first one. Select the account record that started your process. Then select choose. Now set a new field value for the record you update. So here I will be set the value that will be updated. So write the name of the field. So I am updating the active field. So here I am selecting active. This is a active field and pick list value. It will be yes. Select yes. So whenever criteria fulfill rating as a hard, then this active field will be automatically changed yes and save. So here I add a criteria and action. Now I am activating this process builder. Activation version confirm. Now I have activated the process builder. Now let me check my record to create new and update the record of the account. Refresh the page. Click new button to create new account. Write the name of the account. Salesforce tutorial. And this is the optional field. Select any of the field and my process builder will be executed whenever rating is hot. So here I am selecting hot rating and active is none. I am not selecting anything of the active field and save the account. Whenever save the record, this active field will be automatically changed as a yes. So I right now I am leaving as it is and save. One record has been created. Now you can see Active field automatically update, yes. If rating is hot. Now go to account, open any of the account where will we check active should be not yes. Here you can see this is the existing record of account. Edit this record and active is none. Now I am selecting rating as a hot and it will be automatically update active whenever I save the record. Now I am clicking on here. You can see active field automatically updated as a yes. So friends, in this lesson, we have to learn how to update account record usage of the process builder in Salesforce. So try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to create a process builder and update the record from process builder in Salesforce, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.